Alright guys, CNC Electronics back at it again with the I don't remember, it's part 4 of this video, so I'm trying to do a finish up on this amplifier. I just remember that I didn't have the amplifiers sitting around and didn't remember that I didn't finalize the video for it to show you guys what's the final, you know, if I did get it out, get it working and or what. But you know what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour it up for the first time, which I never do. I just do a run through of it, and today I'm going to pour it up, make a video and make a bench test video, you know, if everything goes well. So for now I'm going to just pour it up to see if I see the pour light comes on, and if it does I'm going to turn it off and check the components. So it should be like, you can see here. Oh yeah, this guy, you can see that blue light right there. Yep. So I don't want to let it stay on too long. Then alright, check the component, everything is running cool. Whoa, got a shock from that. Jeez, this thing capture pack a lot. Feel it, oh man, these capture, wow, this amplifier is serious stuff. So guys, alright, what I'm going to do now is, let's see if I can give it if I get any audio from it, guys. So what I'm gonna do, this turn down or up, I'm not sure if it turns up or down. Alright, turn it on guys, just to see if I get any audio from it, guys, you know. That's it, because I don't like do the amplifiers like this without test them without putting them in the chassis. So let's see here now. Alright, let's see. Let's do a little test. Let's pour it on and see. Connect the speaker wires already. I'm getting a little humming, which I know what that is. So yes guys, everything is running good. Let me put it there. Let's see guys. Power's on. Power light. Everything. So I'm gonna stop it now. And then switch it off, as you guys heard. So everything seems to be okay with this amplifier, which is a long time coming video. Let me check this. Oh yeah, everything is good. Wow, these are running cooler than I expect. Wow, cooler. Wow, these things are running really cool. I thought it would be really, right. So guys, that's it for this video here, and that's the final of this video. Sorry guys I took so long, but what I did, I replaced outputs, as you guys can watch the other part videos, all the output transistors and all the power supply MOSFET, and you have the chip. I placed 4 chip on this thing. That's a IRS 21844, I think, if I'm not wrong, which it should be that, yeah, IRS 21844. Yeah guys, that's, I think is the chip on these. So guys, everything is working fine, and that's the final for this video. See, I can't this amplifier is really long. It's like, let's see, doesn't even remember. I already have the measurement and the thing. So any question about it, guys, let me know. I can tell you, answer your question as soon as possible. as soon as I can. So everything seems to be okay, guys. So no major issue. It just was a textbook repair right here, right through, you know, output, and was MOSFET driver right there, the four MOSFET driver on this chip. Yeah, I replaced them, all the outputs and all the power supply MOSFET, and that's about what I replaced in this amplifier. And let's see, and there was a broken cap right here, capacitor, yeah, which I replaced. So you know, that's it guys for this video. So all is well, and that's it. So CNC electronics out for now, and guys, thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate a lot of you guys who take, you know, wait around to see next part of this video, and it was a long time coming. Sorry about that guys. So there goes, everything is okay with the amplifier. All right, CNC electronics out.